Welcome back, grade 3. This is our new lesson 10.2, page 567. Okay, we are talking about AM and PM. So we will know how can we tell when to use AM or PM during the day. Okay, so it's not new for us. You took it before in grade 2. So let's revise our information and answer together this lesson. This is the number line, time number line. It shows when we can say AM or PM according to the hours during the day. It's divided into two parts like this, as you see. AM, we can say AM after 12 midnight till before 12 noon. Then after 12 noon till before 12 again midnight, we will say PM. So you must be logical, and when you think in the activity that you do or that you read, then think carefully. It will be AM or PM. So let's see. This is our vocab, the yellow ones. Today in our lesson, it's midnight. We said 12 at night, exactly. 12 at night, exactly, called midnight. Okay, so the times after midnight and before noon are written with AM. This notation, okay? So if we have something like this, 7 o'clock in the morning is written as, of course, AM. Because 7 will be after noon or before noon. 7 o'clock morning, yes, before noon, so it would be AM. Okay, then the next page, 568, we have the word noon is 12 exactly, but in the daytime you can see the sun in the middle of the sky. The times after noon and before midnight are written with PM notation, PM. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, after 12 o'clock, noon, okay, is written as 3 PM, okay, 3 PM. Okay, number 1, let's solve together. Name 2 things you do in the AM hours. Name 2 things you do in the PM hours. For myself, I can write for the AM hours. Wake up, eat my breakfast, go to my work, which is our school, something like this. Okay, about the activities or the things I can do and the PM hours. Go back to my house or to my home. Stay with my family. Complete my work. Something like this. Okay, sleep again. Okay. Then, so you can here you will write in your books, please, your activities according, whatever you want, but just be careful. You must be logical in your examples, okay, and accurate. Write the time for the activity. Use AM or PM. We have number 2, ride the bicycle. Ride the bicycle. First, here we have the clock face. It shows 4:20. The hour hand here points at 4. The minutes hand points at 20 exactly. So it would be 4:20. So can we ride bicycle 4 o'clock night while we are sleeping? No. So it must be PM, afternoon. after coming back from your school, you can ride your bicycle, for example. Okay. Number 3, make a sandwich. This clock shows, yes, it's 11, and as you see here, our lesson, the previous lesson, we know how to tell time to the nearest minute. So as you see, the minute's hand doesn't point exactly on 7. Okay, it's too near to 7. So we know how many minutes at 7, grade 3. Yes, it's 35, exactly 35. So it's one before 35, which is 34. So this time is 11:34, or 34 minutes after 11. So is it AM or PM? Let's revise together. AM, this time will be after midnight till before noon. AM after midnight till before noon. So it's too late to make a sandwich at 11 at night, right? Okay. But it will not be PM. Okay. So it's, of course, it will be morning. Okay. Afternoon, because this is not exactly 12 noon. 12, not 12 for the noon time. Okay, so it's before noon, so it will be AM. Okay, number 4, get ready for bed. Of course, get ready for bed, you will sleep. You will sleep 8 AM or 8 PM. Of course, PM, because it will be night, at night. PM again from after 12 noon till before 12 again midnight, before 12 midnight, so 8 at night. It comes before 12 night, 12 midnight. Okay, you can imagine it. Okay. Number 5, this morning Sam woke up at the time shown on this clock. Write the time. First we will write the time, then you will use AM or PM. Okay, so here we have the hour hand. It shows or it points at 8. It's 8 colon. Okay, the minutes hand between 10 and 11. So how many minutes at 10? Yes, 50. So let's count. We know that it takes 5 minutes from one number to the next one. So let's count by one. 51, 52, 53. It's 8:50. Okay. 53. Okay. 8:53. 53 minutes after 8. Okay, or can we use before? It will be easier, miss. Yes. How many minutes here? This is 0. This is 0. Okay, go back. Jump. This is 5. Okay, 5 and 6, 7. You can say 7 minutes before 8. No, before the next hour, which is 9. So we can say 7 minutes before 9. It's okay? Right. Is it AM or PM? This morning. Stan woke up. Of course will be, yes, AM. Okay. So, how do you decide whether to use AM or PM when you write the time? So, can you discuss this with your family and let me know what you will, or what you already said to them? What is the discussion between your family, your mom, your dad, your sisters or brothers, and tell me what is the answers for them. Okay, then you will go to page 569. This one, it's on your own as usual. You will solve it in your book, and I'll see it in the second session, conference session, inshallah. And don't forget, you're free to solve anything. Don't worry about mistakes. We will discuss everything grade 3, and then you will send me your answers. I'll see your answers also. Don't forget this. Okay, so see you soon inshallah, and goodbye.